Welcome back. It's Friday night. What better to do than looking at some data on UK house prices? Let's fact check a few articles in the mainstream media. So first of all, the BBC reported that first-time buyers spend almost 40% of pay on mortgages. And let's look at some data. The data is provided by the Office for National Statistics. I put my data sheet on my GitHub. The link is down below in the description if you want to play with some data. You know, it's Friday evening. This would be an amazing time well spent. So when we look at first-time buyers, we have information about total mortgage payments and deposits. And when we look at the total mortgage payments, what do we see? Well, we see that these mortgage payments are more or less unchanged since 1988. So you start around 20% of income. This also includes repayments. It goes up a bit, it comes down a bit. You have, of course, a period of lower interest rates. And of course, recently you have an increase because of the increase in interest rates. But otherwise, there isn't really much to it. It's around the same level as it always has been. Story number 2 in the Telegraph. There is the claim that 1 in 5 first-time buyers is now over the age of 40. This is kind of a weird statement. Honestly, who cares about 1 in 5? It's not a really good metric. It would be more useful to talk about the average age or the median age when you buy your first home. Anything else is not necessarily massively meaningful. When we look again at the data using the same data source, what do we find? So here's the age for first-time buyers, and you start at 33. It goes down a bit, it goes up a bit, and we are back at about 33. And this is again covering a period of about 30 years. So nothing has really changed fundamentally. Our new business analytics with Python book is out on Amazon if you want to dive much deeper into analyzing data using Python. If you are more into Stata, you find my Udemy courses maybe helpful. And there's more on company valuation as well. So go out there and get some data to analyze.